Welcome back to my channel, RV Deep Dive, where we explore the most exciting, luxurious, and innovative motorhomes on the planet. And today, buckle up because we are diving into something special, the 2026 LMC I Explorer Sport line. Now, you might be wondering, what makes this RV so special? Is it just another motorhome, or is it truly a luxury experience on wheels? Well, in the next few minutes, you're about to see why this German-engineered masterpiece has quickly become one of the most talked about RVs in Europe and beyond. The LMC brand, for those who don't know, is part of the Erwin-Hymer Group, which means you're not only looking at a premium standalone product, but you're also getting the expertise and legacy of one of the biggest names in the motorhome industry. The I Explorer Sport line is designed to deliver a combination of durability, comfort, and next-level features that cater to families, couples, and luxury travelers alike. But here's the thing, LMC calls this a sport line, yet when you step inside and see the features, it feels less like a simple sport edition and more like a luxury retreat. So today, I'm going to walk you through every single detail, inside and out, so you can see for yourself if this is truly one of the best motorhomes money can buy. Let's start with the exterior, because first impressions matter, and the LMC I makes one heck of a first impression. Standing at almost 7.5 meters in length, this motorhome has a commanding road presence. The body design is sleek, aerodynamic, and unmistakably European in style. LMC has given it a sharp, clean silhouette with subtle curves that not only look good, but also improve airflow and fuel efficiency when cruising down highways. Up front, you'll notice the bold integrated cab design, which merges seamlessly into the living area. Unlike many cutaway cabs you see in entry-level RVs, this fully integrated design gives the I a luxury bus-like appearance. The front fascia is dominated by modern LED headlights with a daytime running light signature that screams sophistication. These lights aren't just for looks. They offer exceptional illumination at night, ensuring you feel safe and in control no matter the conditions. The grille is clean, understated, and proudly carries the LMC badge, a symbol of German precision and reliability. The windshield is massive, offering panoramic visibility, which not only benefits the driver, but also gives passengers an open, airy view of the road ahead. Think of it like sitting in the cockpit of a modern tour bus, only this one is tailored for luxury living. The side mirrors are extra large, electrically adjustable, and heated, giving you full command of your blind spots. These mirrors alone tell you this RV is built with serious road trips in mind. Moving along the sides, you'll find beautifully flush-fitting windows that add to the sleek aesthetic. These are not just any windows. They are frameless, tinted, double-glazed windows that provide both insulation and privacy. During the day, you get protection from heat and glare, while at night, they create a cozy, private environment inside. Now, let's talk about storage because LMC has really gone above and beyond here. On both sides of the motorhome, you'll find multiple external storage hatches that give you easy access to underfloor compartments. But the star of the show is the rear full-width garage. This garage is huge. We're talking enough space to carry bikes, camping gear, outdoor furniture, or even an e-scooter. The doors are wide and practical, with low sills that make loading effortless. And if you're someone who loves skiing or extreme outdoor adventures, this garage is heated, meaning your gear won't freeze during those cold winter getaways. One of the standout features on the exterior is the thick, insulated walls and roof construction. LMC is famous for its long life technology, which means the I is not built like your average RV. Instead of wood, they use a polyurethane framework that's immune to water damage, rot, and decay. Combine that with GRP, glass-reinforced plastic, on the roof and underbody, and you've got a motorhome that is extremely durable, weather-resistant, and designed for decades of use. This isn't just hype. This construction method is one of the reasons LMC offers some of the longest warranties in the RV industry. Functionality also shines through in the little details. You'll notice LED exterior lighting along the awning side, perfect for creating an ambient atmosphere in the evening. The entrance door is extra wide, and comes with a sturdy fly screen to keep bugs out while letting fresh air in. And yes, the entrance step is electrically operated, automatically extending and retracting for convenience. It's small touches like these that elevate the everyday experience. On the driver's side, you'll find a service hatch for utilities, your freshwater fill, wastewater drain, and access to the gas bottle compartment. Everything is neatly organized, clearly labeled, and easy to access. For those who plan on extended trips, the LMC I can be fitted with larger gas tanks and even lithium batteries for off-grid adventures, so you're not tied to campsites with hookups. Let's not forget the wheels. This RV rides on stylish 16-inch alloy wheels that don't just look sporty, but also enhance stability and ride quality. And thanks to the Fiat Ducato chassis underneath, paired with LMC's engineering, you get a balanced combination of durability and comfort. From every angle, the LMC I Explorer Sport line radiates class. It's not overloaded with chrome or flashy gimmicks. Instead, it relies on precision design, clean lines, and practical luxury. The kind of design that doesn't just impress in photos, but actually makes sense in real-life use. This is a motorhome that says, yes, I'm built for comfort, but I'm also built to last. So, from the bold front fascia with its LED lights, to the insulated body panels, to the massive heated garage, the exterior of the LMC I sets the stage for what's inside. And believe me, the inside is where the magic really begins. Because if you thought the outside was impressive, wait until you step into the lounge, kitchen, and bedroom areas. Step inside the LMC I Explorer Sport line, and immediately you're struck by a sense of refinement that feels a class above. This is not just an RV interior. It's a luxury living space that just happens to be mobile. Every detail has been carefully designed to maximize space, comfort, and convenience, while wrapping it all in a stylish modern aesthetic. Let's start with the cockpit area, since that's where your journeys begin. The I is built on the proven Fiat Ducato chassis, which means the driving position feels familiar yet commanding. You're sitting high up with a wide panoramic view through that massive windshield. The captain's chairs are fully adjustable, upholstered in premium fabrics or optional leather, and designed to swivel and become part of the lounge when parked. These seats aren't just about comfort on long drives. They're also crash-tested for safety. In front of the driver, the dashboard is modern, intuitive, and packed with features. A central infotainment screen provides navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and a reversing camera display, crucial for maneuvering a vehicle of this size. You've also got integrated controls for air conditioning, USB ports for your devices, and steering wheel-mounted buttons that make driving effortless. Cruise control, lane assist, and optional advanced driver aids give you peace of mind whether you're navigating city streets or cruising the Autobahn. The cockpit feels more like a luxury van or SUV than a bulky motorhome. Smooth, precise, and confidence-inspiring. Now, swivel those front chairs around, and suddenly you're part of the lounge and dining area. This is where the LMC really starts to feel like a home. The lounge features a large L-shaped sofa, a side bench, and a central dining table that's adjustable in height and position. The table can be extended or folded, depending on how many people are dining. The upholstery is plush, with options for different fabrics and color palettes to match your personal style. Overhead, integrated LED lighting provides a warm, cozy glow, and the frameless side windows flood the space with natural light during the day. Storage is abundant here too. Overhead cabinets with soft closed doors line the lounge, and clever compartments are hidden under the seating. LMC has really mastered the balance of aesthetics and practicality. You don't feel like you're living in a cluttered RV. Everything has its place, and it looks good while doing it. Move further back, and you'll find the kitchen area, which is surprisingly spacious for a motorhome of this size. The layout is ergonomic, with a wide countertop that makes meal prep a breeze. A 3-burner gas hob sits neatly alongside a stainless steel sink with a stylish faucet, and both are covered by glass lids to extend your worktop space when not in use. There's a large 142-liter fridge with a separate freezer compartment, plenty of room for groceries for long trips. And And yes, depending on the spec, you can also get an integrated oven or microwave. Cabinets and drawers are everywhere, all with soft close mechanisms that prevent rattling while driving. The finish is high gloss, giving the kitchen a modern residential feel. Ambient LED strips under the counters create a premium atmosphere in the evenings. This is the kind of kitchen where you actually enjoy cooking, not just getting by on the road. Next, let's talk about the bathroom, because LMC has really upped the game here. Unlike many RVs that give you a cramped, wet bath, the i745 Explorer Sport line offers a separate shower and toilet setup. On one side, you have a fully enclosed shower cubicle with a solid door, proper water pressure, and enough space to move around without bumping elbows. On the other side, there's a toilet with a swivel seat, a wash basin, and storage for toiletries. Bright lighting and a skylight above keep the space fresh and inviting. It feels more like a compact residential bathroom than an RV compromise. And for longer trips, that makes a huge difference. Now, let's head to the sleeping area, the part that often makes or breaks a motorhome. At the rear of the LMC i745, you'll find luxurious twin beds that can easily be converted into a massive king-size bed using an insert. This flexibility is perfect for couples who want space or families who need multiple sleeping arrangements. The mattresses are premium quality with excellent support. You're not just lying on foam pads here, you're genuinely sleeping comfortably night after night. Overhead storage cabinets run along both sides, while large wardrobes are positioned at the foot of the beds for clothing and essentials. Each bed also has its own reading light, USB charging ports, and shelves for small items. And that's not all. Up front, above the lounge, you'll find a drop-down bed that lowers electronically at the push of a button. This bed is perfect for guests or kids and offers a surprisingly generous sleeping area. Combined with the rear setup, this motorhome can comfortably sleep up to 4 adults, and with the dinette converted, even more if needed. Throughout the interior, the finishing touches are what truly sell the luxury vibe. Ambient lighting strips, high-quality upholstery, soft-close cabinetry, and seamless transitions between zones make the i745 feel like one cohesive living environment rather than a patchwork of RV compartments. The color schemes are modern yet warm, avoiding the sterile look that some motorhomes fall into. Everywhere you look, the LMC i745 Explorer Sport line whispers luxury. From the captain's chairs that double as lounge seating, to the spacious kitchen with premium finishes, to the proper bathroom setup, to the versatile and comfortable sleeping arrangements. This is an RV that doesn't ask you to compromise. Now that we've explored the interior in all its detail, let's talk about the technology and comfort features that elevate the LMC i745 Explorer Sport line beyond the ordinary. LMC takes comfort seriously, and it shows in the insulation and climate control systems. The motorhome comes equipped with high-grade insulation using their long-life technology. That means you can travel in summer or winter without worrying about extreme temperatures. A Truma Combi 6 heating system provides both hot water and ambient heating throughout the motorhome. And for those who want even more comfort, there's an option to upgrade to all central heating, a true game changer for cold climates. Imagine being parked in the Alps, snow outside, while you're inside with toasty underfloor heating and warm air circulating evenly. That's the definition of cozy luxury. Lighting also plays a huge role here. The entire interior is fitted with LED ambient lighting, which is energy efficient and creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. Dimmable strips run along the ceiling, under cabinets, and even in the floor area, giving you complete control over mood and brightness. This is not just functional lighting, it's lifestyle lighting, designed to make the RV feel more like a boutique hotel suite. On the tech side, the i745 offers USB charging ports in all the key areas: lounge, kitchen, bedroom, so every passenger can stay connected. You've also got optional solar panels for off-grid power, lithium battery upgrades, and even satellite TV systems if you want that full entertainment package. The control panel is user-friendly, giving you at-a-glance information about your water levels, battery status, and heating controls. Everything is intuitive and designed to minimize hassle. Now, let's move into the driving performance side of things, because as beautiful as an RV may be, it's no good if it doesn't handle well on the road. The LMC I Explorer Sport line is based on the tried-and-true Fiat Ducato chassis, powered by a Euro 6D diesel engine with outputs ranging typically between 140 to 180 horsepower, depending on the configuration. Paired with Fiat's smooth 9-speed automatic gearbox, driving feels remarkably effortless. The steering is precise, braking is confident, and the suspension has been tuned to strike a balance between stability and comfort. Even on long motorway hauls, the I-745 maintains composure, while its compact turning radius for a vehicle this size makes navigating campsites and smaller roads less stressful. With modern driver assist features like hill hold, cruise control, lane departure warning, and optional traction control, you're always in safe hands. And thanks to that massive panoramic windshield and elevated driving position, road trips feel less like a chore and more like a commanding experience. Fuel economy is also respectable for a motorhome of this class, thanks to the aerodynamic body design. LMC has put thought into reducing drag without sacrificing space, so you can expect around 25 to 28 miles per gallon, depending on load and driving style. That makes this RV not just luxurious, but also practical for long-distance touring. Now, let's talk value and pricing, because luxury comes at a price, but here, it's more accessible than you might think. The base price of the LMC I Explorer Sport line hovers around €95,000 to €105,000 in Europe, roughly $110,000 to $120,000 USD at current rates. Of course, with options like all heating, solar panels, satellite systems, upgraded upholstery, and driver assist packages, you can push that number higher. But even fully loaded, the I-745 remains more affordable than many competitors offering similar levels of space and luxury. Think about what you're getting: German build quality, long-term durability with wood-free construction, a massive heated garage, a spacious lounge, a proper kitchen, a separate shower bathroom, comfortable sleeping for 4, and modern driving tech. For the price of a mid-range SUV, you're essentially getting a luxury apartment on wheels that can take you anywhere. So, is the LMC I Explorer Sport line a true luxury RV? Absolutely. It may not have the over-the-top extravagance of a $1 million American Class A, but what it does offer is smart, durable, practical luxury that you can actually use every single day. This isn't about gold-plated faucets or marble floors. This is about high-quality German engineering, stylish design, and features that make real-world travel comfortable, safe, and unforgettable. The LMC I Explorer Sport line is for those who value experiences over excess, for couples who want freedom without compromise, for families who want to travel together in style, and for adventurers who want a reliable, all-season motorhome. This is it. And now, the big question: would you buy one? At a starting price of just over $110,000, the LMC I delivers incredible value for the level of luxury it provides. If you're ready to experience travel without limits, this might just be the motorhome for you. Thanks for watching this deep dive into the 2026 LMC I Explorer Sport line. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more luxury RV reviews, and drop a comment below. What do you think? Is this your dream motorhome, or would you choose something else? Until next time, this is RV Deep Dive, signing off, and I'll see you on the open road.